This is the Smart ice cream. It took me 20 years to make this ice cream. When I wrote the book, The Pump Energy Food, I said I wanted to make an ice cream people can eat it without feeling guilty. I don't know why it took me this long, but it did. So let me tell you how I made this strawberry ice cream. The first thing you do, you put your strawberries in a freezer. So what I did, I used 16 medium strawberries. Then I took a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, and 1/3 of a cup of cottage cheese. You need a good blender. You give it a nice blend. Then you put in a nice bowl. And believe me, you're not going to feel guilty and your body is going to appreciate it. You put it in a freezer for 2 hours at least. And then you sit down and you enjoy this ice cream. Remember, how we eat is how we feel. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.